good morning, everyone. This is Mandar. I am from Copper, and we are going to talk about how to find your dream home and how to finance it, right? So, in order to find your house for either for yourself, you need to consider many factors, right? First and foremost is location. So, a lot of people will tell you location is of prime importance, whether it comes to your own home or your office or your business, right? So specifically when it comes to your house, you need to choose the right location. Don't just think of it from the current point of view, but also think of it from a futuristic point of view, right? So make sure that there are schools nearby, there is a mall nearby, it's easily accessible from let's say a railway station or a metro station, right? So from a travel perspective, it is easy, it's easy to commute. There are a lot of commute options. There are good grocery utility stores, there are schools and different options, right? So uh, you need to choose and pick and choose the right neighborhood before you actually go ahead and think about all the other factors when it comes to buying a house. Second is who's the developer or who's the project owner or the builder, right? So if you are planning to buy, let's say, a condominium, or you're looking to buy an apartment, right? You always need to check the background of the builder, right? What are the projects that this builder or real estate developer has done in the past? How many of their projects have been completed, right? Are they having any legal issues, right? So all of this needs to be researched, and then maybe you should go ahead and choose a particular real estate developer, right? So for a community or let's say an area that is coming up, all the major real estate developers will have some sort of land there, and they would be building their complex or property, right? So make sure that you shop, go and visit a few sites, have a look at the sample flats, look at the plan, look at the amenities which are provided by the builder, look at all the other projects which are completed, and then go ahead and choose a particular real estate developer for your home, right? uh, One is again, a pro tip is, if you go with a reputed real estate developer, then it becomes easier for you to get a home loan, right? So we've got a apartment, small apartment with Lodha, which is one of the prime real estate developers in India. And s- we had a pre-approved home loan with a specific bank, right? So they had tied up with HDFC Bank for this particular apartment complex, that in which I have gotten a small apartment, right? And the loan processing was hassle free, so all the documents moved really quickly between the bank and the real estate company, right? And I was able to get the loan sanctioned within 15 days and get access to my apartment or my property. Third factor that goes into determining how to find your house is cost, right? And it's, I would say, one of the most important factors, right? There's a saying that you need to cut your coat according to the cloth, right? जितने पैर लंबे है, जितनी चद्दर लंबी है उतने ही पैर फैलाओ, right? So you need to choose the best you can by trying to stick as close as possible to your budget. So have a budget in mind. I had a budget of 65 lakh when I bought my first apartment, right? 65-70 lakh. And there were many apartments or real estate developers who wanted to sell you know uh, 2 bedrooms or 3 bedrooms apartment for close to a crore, and I, at that time, I did not have the funds or the wherewithal, and I have a budget which I had kept in my mind. So I basically went by that budget, and I started shopping for houses that came, or apartments that came in that budget. Fourth is how big this home is going to be, right? So again, the square foot area of your home, also needs to be considered, right? So the location, so the price per square foot would change based on the location. It would change based on the amenities provided. It would change based on the real estate developer, right? It would change based on different factors, like how close it is from a metro station and so on, right? Whether it's in which city are you buying a house, right? So uh, the let's say the square foot price is quite lower in Gurgaon as compared to square foot price in Mumbai, right? So you need to strike a balance between your dream house, how big home you need, and what is your budget, right? And accordingly, you need to look at the square foot area that you can get within your budget, right? So once you have decided on these four factors, right, then you go ahead with financing your house. And the simplest way of financing your house, which is a big investment or big financial decision, is to go for a home loan, right? So a home loan is a product which is easily available from banks, right? There are multiple benefits of availing a home loan, including tax benefits, so that you can easily avail the home of your choice, right? So you can again shop around for home loans. There are a lot of online websites that give you a comparison between the home loan interest rates available from different banks. You can use home loan EMI calculators available on different bank websites and try to find out what is the current rate of interest they are offering, what is the EMI that you would have to pay on a month on month basis, right? So make sure you check all the documents, make sure there is no issue when it comes to after you've bought the home, you there is no issue when it comes to loan processing, right? uh, so make sure all your documents are in place, right? So just to summarize, what does it take in terms of finding the house and financing it? So one is you need to shortlist the project based on multiple factors: loan cost, square foot area, right, and the real estate developer. These are the four factors that you need to consider. Do your own research, don't depend on any real estate agent. Make sure that there are tons of online tools available to do your own research. So do your own research, check the basic hygiene of the property, shop around for a home loan if you are looking to buy your own home loan. Do type in comments how you are going ahead with finding your home. What are the different online websites that you are looking at when it comes to finding specific properties, and what are the different online websites you're looking at when it comes to availing a home loan, right? So do type that in the comments. We will read each and every comment and give our valuable feedback. Thank you so much. I hope you like this video. Have a good day.